Hi, I'm Kathy from Kathy's Cute Creations, and this is my granddaughter,
Megan.
That's not right. That better.
Okay.
Now, who are you?
Kathy from Kathy's Cute Creations.
Okay, and I'm Megan. There you go.
And today, Megan is with me while we open the ginger quilter box. And remember, this is the one that's going to have that spooky little ghost in it. And also,
It's not
I
Casper,
wanted to...
is it?
No, it's not Casper. No, Casper was a white ghost, and this is a black and white ghost with checks.
So it's a zebra?
No, not
Oh,
a
wait,
zebra,
checks,
stripes.
not stripes.
Yeah.
I'm not. I'm just going to pretend I didn't say that. Anyway. Moving on.
So here's what you get in the box is the envelope, but let's show the ghost fabric. Oh, it's got little eyes in it too. We have to turn it that way. There's these eyes. And there he is, checks with the black and the orange, and then he's got the white. And
That's plaid, not checkered.
oh, it is plaid. Excuse me. I don't know where I got checkered from.
I
don't
drop
know.
it. Good job.
There you go. So he'll look like that when you're done.
It's a Ghost Buddy plush.
And he does have a hat. Right here. A little hat. And the broom. Don't put that on my... God. And a broom. It's going to fall off my head.
No, it's not.
And, oh my gosh, look at that. And there's a piece of candy with an eyeball in it. Sucker with an eyeball. Oh my gosh. Halloween lollipop.
Lollipop. Ba-dum-bum-bum. There it is.
Okay. Oh, look. And you know what? This is really ironic because my sister and I were just talking about Hobby Lobby and that you can get a whole bunch of neat little signs and everything that you can put around your house. Sewing room. As she's hanging it off of her glasses.
Trick or treat, y'all.
Y'all.
Anyway.
Are you going trick or treating this year? Oh, look.
You know how old I am, right?
Hey, I've seen kids out there trick or treating.
I'm not a kid.
Okay, excuse me. So here we have a ruler, and actually I have one of these exact.
What kind of ruler is it?
Here,
If
hold
that's
that.
not your standard.
I'm gonna step over here a second. Show that ruler.
Okay. It's called a quick quarter. Quilter's ruler. That's what it is. Not a regular ruler. It's a fancy pantsy ruler.
Ta-da! And is that
so
the
you have
same
one.
exact?
Yes.
Exact color and everything. I was afraid that they were going to be different
So
colors.
this now belongs to your sister. Or your daughter.
Did you get that? Now if Karen's watching, she wants it.
She didn't ask for it.
But you already said it for your sister.
Welcome, Karen.
You're welcome.
We love you.
All right, so let's look and see what we've got this month. Ooh,
We have Batty Pumpkin.
pumpkins. Gone Batty Box. That's what this is called. It says, "Boo! Welcome to the Gone Batty
That's the little
Box."
picture that they put on it.
So they're diving into Halloween a little early, so you can sew this up and have it for a tabletop or for the holidays.
Into the dividends.
Ooh, just look at the fabric. Oh my goodness gracious! Look at this. Kitties galore. Look at that.
We're just gonna move on like nothing.
I know. Look at that. There's a pumpkin kitty
I like this fabric.
with a mask on.
Yes, I like this one. Boo. Did I get you?
Did I get you?
Did I get you? There's little pumpkins. I mean, ghosts.
Pumpkins? You got pumpkin in the brain because I
Listen,
said
it's orange.
I said
No,
pumpkin kitty
because
cat,
it's-
which threw you.
Because it's orange.
Oh look, now these are strips. So there's a strip of the fabric I just had, and look at that skeletal.
Yes.
Kitty
this
cat.
one is also a strip.
Oh no, that's a little bit more fabric than this strip. This is just one strip of fabric.
Really?
Yeah.
This
Is there another something underneath there?
something?
Yeah, underneath there.
Something? No.
Yeah,
Oh,
there
wait.
is. See, yes, there is.
Ta-da! I'm gonna cover my
Yeah,
big,
like look.
big old
So
forehead.
when I take this off, I have another strip.
Another strip.
Yeah, the eyes of the pumpkin. The
That's
eyes
a
have it.
jack-o'-lantern.
Oh, well, pumpkin jack-o'-lantern. Oh,
It's
my
not
God.
the same thing.
Tomato,
It's
tomato.
not the
Yes,
same
it's the
thing.
same.
A pumpkin don't have a nice face on it. A jack-o'-lantern does, and he goes, ugh.
I thought the jack-o'-lanterns were the spooky ones. The ones that were scary and had the different faces.
They can be. That's like saying all cats are gray cats. They can be.
Ecology.
All thumbs are fingers, but not all fingers are thumbs.
And all green thumbs aren't green? Is that what you're trying to tell
I
me?
mean, all thumbs aren't green. All green thumbs are green thumbs.
Are they?
But not all thumbs are green thumbs.
Oh my gosh, how do we get on that subject?
I don't know.
don't
You
either.
brought up green, and
Okay, now
we're
here's
looking at orange things.
And there's that fabric there, which is just the opposite of that little ghost. See, there's the difference.
It's like what's it called? The woo.
I don't know.
The colors when they're wooed. When it's like
Reversed?
it's inverted,
Oh.
like on the.
And there we have white. Let me get real close with that. Yes, let's block her face.
Please block my big forehead. You could drive a Range Rover up there.
Now, and this,
Just-
which is it, let me see the pattern. Oh, this is the background. This is adorable.
This is adorable.
It is.
It
is,
says eek.
It says eek.
It does.
It says scare,
Right there.
scary, and
Spooky,
boo.
scary,
All kinds of
skeletons
stuff.
and shows
Okay,
of
that's
fun.
everything that came in the box this month.
That's the box.
Mm-hmm.
And here's your poof. It's empty. The poof is in the pudding. Oh,
And
okay.
she's already looking for towards fall, so the
Who's
October
she?
box. The ginger
I
quilter.
thought you were talking about me because I really like Halloween. You gonna give me something for Halloween? You
Well,
gonna make me a Halloween quilt?
This is a little jump
She
on
gonna
Halloween.
make me a
so
Halloween
this,
quilt?
no. This is a
Bye.
little jump on, on Halloween, so you'll have a table topper. But in October, there's going to be a cozy and warm fall tones.
Ooh.
So that's what we have to look forward to. So thank you very much for another box. Another box.
Another bomb.
And Natalie is her
another
name.
video.
But hold on 1 second. I need to get a piece of paper because
I'm
I
holding.
Okay, let go of me.
1,000. Okay, I held on for a second.
Okay, let's
Now what?
pause the video unless you'd like to entertain while I'm gone.
What you gonna do?
I'm gonna go over here and get something I printed out.
Gonna get a surprise.
You got a
It's
what?
trick or treat. It's a surprise. Spooky, scary skeletons and shows down your spine. And she's back. It's already gone.
Okay, so I printed this out because I knew I wouldn't remember it. So, Natalie, did I just call her Natalie a minute ago? I did say Natalie.
Isn't Natalia?
No, it's Natalie.
You sure?
I'm making sure I didn't say her name wrong just a couple seconds ago. But anywho, get up here.
I'll think about it.
She has a 12 Days of Christmas Advent calendar for quilters. And it's a box
Sir?
that if you are already subscribed to her, she has sent out an email. So I went ahead and I got it so I can show you guys what it's like because I've never gotten one of hers before. And I have every year around Christmas time, people are putting out their own kind of boxes that they've been thinking about. So if you've watched mine, when I do another individual, when I do an unboxing, I will tell you about theirs if I've joined it. But I have joined this one so that I can find out what kind of products that's her favorites that she's putting out for this year. I don't know if she's done it every year since I've just started her unboxings, but we'll find out. And it's not the whole month now, it's only 12 days. Let's hear you.
Since this is a Halloween-y video, Halloweenish, I'm curious as to what everybody's favorite Halloween thing is.
Thing like what?
Like, do you like ghosts? Do you like the bats? Do you like the kids trick-or-treating? Do you like the season?
Oh. So not just the quilting project, but just individual
general.
things. Oh.
What do you like?
Well, I was going to ask another question.
Oh, I like the
I like-
bats.
Yeah, I like the best. But I like all of it. I like making the quilts and stuff like that. So, how
I like receiving
I
the
should say
quilts.
not how, but what age was the last age that y'all went trick-or-treating? Anybody want to share?
Do you remember how old you were?
I went with my girlfriend Mona, believe it, in high school, and I think I was close to being the 11th grade because they were still they were actually trick-or-treating
So
up
roughly
through high
16.
school. Yeah, all the way through 12 years old.
12th grade.
12th grade, but that was way back when.
Back
And,
in my day.
yeah, and
Oh.
and you didn't have to
She's
check
so
all your
established.
stuff, and you accepted things like fresh baked cookies when you went to the door. They had the what was it called? The caramel
I
popcorn.
thought you were going to say pot roast.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I
let's
am
see.
actually.
What else would have been made fresh when you come to the door?
Pickles.
No. Candy wise, what would be fresh? I guess that's the only two things that would be fresh.
Rice Krispie treats?
Nope. It was probably candy apples, but I didn't care for them, so I turned those down because I didn't want them to waste them on me.
I like them if they're sliced. Otherwise, it's like
Yeah, but back then they literally had the apples, they candied them, and
They
had them
still
on a
do
tray.
have it.
No, I mean when you went trick or treating. Now
Oh,
that's all
yeah.
frowned upon. Yeah.
No,
'cause
now
too
you have
many
like the
people are-
little caramel apple lollipops instead.
Oh, stuff like that.
Eh.
But the best stuff that you got was when you got the full size candy bar. Very
king
seldom.
size.
You know the little packages that you buy now that are all those little miniature, the Snickers, the Milky Way, the
I feel like a unicorn.
I can't even think what all is in them. But anyway, the little bitty ones about that big. They didn't even have those back then. Mainly it was the penny candy. Just the teeny weeny little piece. One little single piece. Like your little sweet tarts and what's the other thing that you have, which you're like such a distraction.
You're welcome.
Okay guys, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it and I will see you the next time.
Don't forget to
Comment, thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't yet. Okay? Thanks everybody. See you next time, and thanks Natalie. Wonderful box this time around. Alright, bye-bye everybody.
Adios.
Well, and I'm back. So I forgot to lay it all out to show everybody what it is. Look at that cute quilt. Oh my gosh, that's adorable. Absolutely adorable. And of course, the pillow is too. Isn't that nice? Oh my gosh. And there's our little ghost. And I just laid the stuff down here. And don't forget, she's got the 12 days of Christmas. You want to get online. If you haven't subscribed to her email, go ahead and subscribe to Natalie's email, and then you can get information when it comes out. Maybe you just want to buy something off of her website. You don't have to join the subscription box to buy something off the website. Okay? I hope everybody enjoyed this unboxing, and I'll see you next time. Thanks again for watching, and welcome to all my new subscribers. Bye-bye.